In a busy world, your mind needs space to breathe. Introducing MindGlow, a meditation and mental wellness app designed for your everyday life. Whether you want to sleep peacefully, stay calm during work, or reset your mind during the day, MindGlow gives you guided meditation for every moment. Follow simple breathing exercises, build your own morning and night routines, and take time to sit in silence, write your thoughts, or practice affirmations and visualization. MindGlow goes beyond the mind. With gentle home-based exercises, mindful movement, and wellness tracking, including sleep, steps, and daily habits, you support both physical and mental performance. Get gentle reminders to care for your mind and body. Connect with a supportive community or book sessions with expert mind coaches whenever you need guidance. MindGlow is not just an app. It's your daily calm system, helping you move better, think clearer, and live with more balance. MindGlow, your calm space is coming.